Good morning. Welcome back to English Learning Stories. I'm Sophie, and I'm very happy to see you again. Thank you for joining us today. We have a simple and friendly story for you, and I'm sure you will enjoy it. Before we start, if you like our videos and want to see more easy English stories every week, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. We love reading your messages and hearing what you think. In today's story, you will learn simple English words and phrases about daily routines, visiting the park, and talking about your day. This will help you practice speaking and understanding English in real situations. Now, let's go live to the city and talk to our reporter. Hello, Mark. Where are you today? Can you hear me?
Hello, Sophie? Yes, I can hear you. I'm here in the city, at the park, talking to people about their day. Today, I'm with Anna, who is enjoying the park. Hello, Anna. How are you today?
Hello, Mark. I'm fine, thank you.
Anna, can you tell us about your day?
Yes, I wake up at 7 o'clock and have breakfast. I eat bread with cheese and drink some orange juice. After breakfast, I put on my shoes and take my bag. I also bring my camera because I like to take photos. Today, I go to the park because the weather is very nice. When I arrive at the park, I see many people. Some are walking, some are playing with their dogs, and some children are running and laughing. I start walking on the path and enjoy the fresh air. I meet my friend Tom near the big tree. We talk about our week and laugh together. Then, we decide to run for 20 minutes. Running makes me feel strong and happy. After running, we sit on a bench and drink water. I take some photos of the flowers and the birds. There is a small pond in the park, and some ducks are swimming there. I feed a few ducks with some bread I brought. It is very fun. Then, we walk to the playground. I watch the children playing, and Tom and I talk about going on a picnic next weekend. After spending some time in the playground, we walk around the park one more time. I feel very relaxed and happy. At 11 o'clock, I say goodbye to Tom and go home. At home, I take a shower and prepare lunch. I cook pasta with tomato sauce, and I drink some water. After lunch, I read a book for a little time. It is a very nice and peaceful morning, and I really enjoy spending time in the park.
Thank you so much, Anna, for sharing your day with us. It sounds like you had a wonderful morning at the park. Back to you in the studio, Sophie.
Thank you, Mark, and thank you, Anna. Today, we learned about Anna's morning at the park. She walked, met a friend, ran, took photos, fed ducks, and even enjoyed reading at home. It was a very busy and fun morning. Thank you for watching English Learning Stories. I hope you enjoyed Anna's story and learned some new English words and phrases. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And stay tuned for our next story, where we will discover another simple and friendly story in easy English. See you next time.